Yeah.
Good.
Rolling?
Yep.
Hey folks, this is April the 14th, 2011. My name's Jeff Power. I'm with JM Power Aggregates Limited. And what we've done, we built a water tank here to simulate a sluice gate with stop blocks leaking between the joints. I've made a hole down at the bottom, 2 3/4 inches wide by 1/4 inch high. What we're going to do is my son's going to knock that orange wedge out. You'll see the water coming out. And I'm going to dump this natural cinders in above the hole. It is our heaviest product that we have available. We call it 1.5" minus. And you'll be able to see how effective it is. Okay, Jamie, knock the wedge out. As you can see, it's very effective.